Hello and welcome to yet another 3D printed light. This one is quite a bit bigger. It is not finished yet, but since I have the table cleared, then I decided to film it. This one quite a bit bigger. The construction is you put the heatsink in, it faces with this hole, the fan takes the air from the bottom and blows it across the heatsink. There are latches for the piece of plexiglass, and this one was purposely designed like this because it prints like this with no supports. The only little bit of support is under this overhang, like only a thin tower, so it does not waste too much filament. And I'm quite happy with how this printed. It's really strong and also flexible, so it should survive an impact. It's to be hanged like this, and quite a nice construction. It's heavy. This is full imprint, no infill. Yeah, this is just the perimeters, and it's strong, it's heavy, it's a half kilogram, so big and heavy print. And this was printing for like 28 hours, so quite a nice one. The LED module is a off-the-shelf heatsink, and the PCBs, once again, they are scrapped PCBs because the LEDs on them were placed reversed, like reverse polarity, and so the markings on the modules were not right, and the customer said he did not want these modules, so they were scrapped, and I got them. These are cheap little lenses from China, the 13mm ones. This light, its first purpose was to be like a light for construction. It would be on quite a high stand, and this particular source of light would be used for a longer range, like you have one flood to light up the nearby area, but if you want to throw the light into the longer distance, you have this module. These LEDs are 3-watt class LEDs from Nichia, really good quality, 4000 Kelvin, 80 CRI, and I will be running them quite hard at 1.2 amps, and at this point this source of light would give me some 120 watts. The enclosure was designed like this because it has to be able to stand up to a little shower. So the air is drawn from the bottom and blown from the sides. It is not powerful, not waterproof whatsoever, but it is resistant. Alright, this is it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.